Welcome to this tutorial on how to become a virtual assistant online. If you're looking for a flexible and rewarding career where you can work remotely, you're in the right place. Let us begin our journey. Before we dive into the steps, let's take a quick look at the tools and skills you'll need as a virtual assistant. These will help you stay organized, communicate effectively, and provide top notch support to your clients. You'll need tools like project management software, communication platforms, time tracking apps, and document sharing platforms to streamline your work and collaborate effectively. As a virtual assistant, you'll need excellent organization skills, attention to detail, strong communication skills, and the ability to multitask. Being tech savvy and adaptable will also greatly benefit in this role. The first thing to becoming a virtual assistant is identifying your skills and the services you can offer. Take some time to assess your strengths and determine the areas where you can provide valuable support. Virtual assistants often offer services like administrative support, email management, calendar management, social media management, content creation, customer service, and more. Once you know your services, it's time to create your online presence. This includes building a professional website, setting up social media profiles, and creating a compelling portfolio. Make sure your website showcases your skills, services, and testimonials from satisfied clients. Your social media profiles should reflect your professionalism and expertise. Finding clients is a crucial step in becoming a virtual assistant. There are several ways to do this, such as networking, reaching out to potential clients, joining freelance platforms, and utilizing social media. Attend virtual networking events, join online communities, and utilize platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to find clients who are seeking virtual assistants. Once you've found a client, it's important to establish clear expectations and boundaries. Have a detailed onboarding process, create contracts, and define the scope of work, payment terms, and confidentiality agreements. Effective communication is key during this phase to ensure that both of you and the client are aligned on project requirements and deliverables. That wraps up our quick introduction to becoming a virtual assistant online. With the right tools, skills, and strategies, you can embark on a successful and fulfilling virtual assistant career.